Hello. Right. Thought we'd try this paper here. So this is an Edexcel A-level paper, and the circle C has a centre A with coordinates 7, 5. And the line L with equation y equals 2x plus 1 is a tangent to C at point P. So show that the equation of the line PA is 2y plus x equals 17. So basically, I'm just going to put that there. And we know that line L is y equals 2x plus 1. Therefore, we know that the radius is at right angles, or is perpendicular to to L. So we know that y equals negative half x plus something. And now we also know that P or A is at 7, 5. We don't know where P is, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to put in y minus 5 equals minus half x minus 7, because 7 is the x coordinate and 5 is the y coordinate. And now we're going to times both sides by 2, or at least we're going to times that by 2, so that's 2y minus 5 equals minus x plus 7. And that's 2y minus 5 equals minus x plus 7. So that's 2y. I should actually have times that out to 10. 2y plus x, if we add x to both sides, equals 17, because we add 10 to that side. Okay, so we've done this bit. Now, find an equation for C. So C is the circle. So we know that the equation of a circle looks like that y squared plus x squared equals the radius squared. So we know that it has the coordinates 7, 5. So we know that we can put this in. So y minus 5 squared plus x minus 7 squared equals some sort of radius, okay? Now our issue is how we find the radius. So what we're going to have to do is find out what P is. So P has the advantage of being something where it fits in with this one and this one. So it's got the same coordinates. So if we substitute y into this one here, so if we know that y equals 2x plus 1, and then we go 2 times 2x plus 1 plus x equals 17, then we get 4x plus 2 plus x equals 17. So 5x plus 2 equals 17. 5x equals 15 if we take 2 off both sides. So x equals 15 over 5 equals 3. Now if we substitute that into this, we then get y equals 2 times 3 plus 1, which equals 7. So now we know that P is at 3, 7. Okay. Now if we were to do a little drawing of this, A is there, P is there, and the difference between 3 and 7 is 4, and the difference between 5, and this should be longer that way, 5 and 7 is, no, I apologise, that is 4, that is 2, because the difference between the x is 3 and 7, and the difference, etc. So in order to find out what this is, the hypotenuse, we have to do 4 squared plus 2 squared and square root it, which is 16 plus 4 square rooted, which is 20. So the answer to the equation for C is going to be y minus 5 squared plus, I think you normally put this the other way around, but it doesn't really matter, x minus 7 squared equals root 20 squared, but we can just say 20. And that's the answer to that bit. Now, the line with the equation 2x plus k is not equal to 1, is also a tangent to C. Find the value of the constant k. So we know that this is going to be, here we go. It's going to be the same kind of thing as what. So it's parallel to y equals 2x plus 1, but it's going to be through here. And we know, here we go, it's quite useful. We know that in order to have got to there, we had to go down 2 and across 4. So we know that this point here is going to be down, so we know A is 7, 5. We're going to go down 2 and across 4. So down 2 would be 3, and across 4 would be 11. So 11, 3. So that is down 2, yep, across 4. So 11, 3. So all we need to do to find out what the constant k is put 11, 3 into this. There you go, and we'll find out what k is. So that would be 3 equals 2 times 11 plus k. So 3 equals 22 plus k. So take 22 off both sides, so minus 19. It's not going very well, is it? Minus 19 equals k. There you go. And that makes sense because it is going that way. And that is how you do this.